This video shows how to buy shares of Sionna Therapeutics Inc. SION, listed on Nasdaq, and provides basic company context. This is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker SION to locate the listing. Select the entry that clearly matches Sionna Therapeutics Inc. to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing details. Verify the company name, Nasdaq listing, and ticker SION before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed according to the order type, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.